Hey guys, what is up? It is Cameron, and in today's video we are going to be sanding the car down and getting it ready for paint. If you guys are new viewers out there, consider subscribing, and yeah, if you haven't seen my last video, you can check it out right here. Without further ado, let's get right into today's video. For those of you who are new to my channel, this is my 2004 BMW M3. It's receiving an LS swap, and I just installed the coilovers from BC Racing on her, and obviously we got some ISR RF2s in matte bronze alongside those drilled and slotted rotors with ceramic pads. We've also installed some brown racing seats. They're not bolted in all the way yet, but they will be. The reason being is because I still have to pull the dash and this entire center console assembly to be able to configure fitting the CD009 transmission. So BMW side mirrors are extremely expensive. A brand new pair of these puppies right here is $1,700. Obviously I'm not trying to spend $1,700 on side mirrors. These ones are going for around 500 bucks. I already have a set here, but they are very jiggly and whatnot. So, as my buddy Tavares has taught me, just build it better. So I have on order a couple of rebuild kits for the internals, and it should fix this jiggly problem, because this is an expensive jiggly problem, especially if you're going down the highway and this jiggles too much and it just flies off into the wind, into the sunset. So I'm definitely going to get this under control, and it's super cheap. It's only $30 per kit. Now the passenger side one isn't atrocious. There's actually no play in it, but I will be doing the mirror replacement on it, because I mean, look at this mirror. It's on its way out, guys. It's definitely on its way out. So I'm actually right now just taking off these side impact airbags. Reason being is because when we connect power, because there's no BMW computer anymore, I don't want these things going off. I know they probably won't. They probably won't even work anyways. But yeah, I'm just gonna uninstall them. Plus, weight savings. So I got most of this passenger side quarter panel done. You can look at the difference between the two body panels. I do need to still get that lower section on the side skirt, but well, technically I just need to get this piece, and the side skirt is going to be a different that's a different panel, so I'll be doing that at a different time. But it's definitely weird seeing the car all sanded down. I'll show you some imperfection areas, imperfections in the paint. So right here, don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up, we got pretty bad speck, and I sanded it down and everything, so there's no perforation or anything anymore. And then obviously yeah, just feeling around, making sure everything is smooth. Up right here, got this little piece right here, but it's just visual. If you physically touch it, it's all smoothed out. So yeah, just gonna continue working it, getting everything super smooth and ready for a fresh coat. The previous owner, when they had it painted, it didn't even sand it down or anything. I mean, you guys can see that right there. That's the original Mola Red. So I'm doing it the right way, which means having to go through 2 coats of paint to get that done. But that is what it is. I'm not mad about it. It's just unfortunate. So yeah, gonna keep at it.
Mazu on the beat. Mazu on the beat.
And just like that, the car is just about sanded. I know I got some problem areas right here. I'm gonna hand sand all that, but for the most part, it's looking pretty good. Again, I'm gonna be hand sanding all of this stuff, these pieces tomorrow. Just wanted to get the majority of the body panels. It looks like I've accomplished that. Not gonna lie, kind of looks pretty cool just like this. Jonathan, buddy Jonathan. That couple BMWs right next to each other. You know what I mean? Rev it! Rev it! You got flames, bro. I bought a tent off of Costway.com for about 80 bucks. And yeah, we got it set up with some nice lights and stuff. We'll be able to paint. We do have an Infinity in here right now, which is getting paint before the M3. But yeah, after the Infinity's done, I'm gonna be painting the M3. And that'll be that. I want to thank you guys for watching today's video. If you guys are new viewers out there, consider subscribing. Without further ado, I hope you guys have a good day / night, wherever you may find yourselves. I'm Cameron, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.